Viral Botox Face Mask. A lifting and firming face mask that adds glow to your face. It's also multi-purpose for face and hair. Flaxseed Gel has gained popularity in recent years for its potential benefits for hair and skin. Here are some of the benefits associated with using flaxseed gel. 1. Hydration. Flaxseed gel is known for its ability to hydrate and moisturize the hair and skin. It contains mucilage, a gooey substance that forms a protective film around the hair and skin, helping to lock in moisture and prevent dehydration. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with dry or brittle hair and skin. 2. Natural hairstyling. Flaxseed gel is often used as a natural alternative to commercial hairstyling products such as gels and mousses. It provides a light to medium hold, allowing for the creation of various hairstyles without the need for synthetic ingredients. The gel is also lightweight and does not weigh the hair down, making it suitable for individuals with fine or thin hair. 3. Improved skin elasticity. Flaxseed gel contains omega-3 fatty acids, which can help improve the elasticity of the skin. This can contribute to stronger, more resilient skin that is less prone to acne. 4. Enhanced hair growth. Some people believe that using flaxseed gel can promote hair growth, while scientific evidence on this claim is limited. The gel's nourishing properties and potential to improve scalp health may indirectly support healthy hair growth. 5. Soothing for skin irritation. When applied to the skin, flaxseed gel may help soothe irritation and inflammation. Its natural emollient properties can help to calm dry, itchy skin and provide a protective barrier against environmental stressors. 2 tablespoons flaxseed gel. 3 cup watt. Boil on medium heat for 15 minutes until gooey texture. Then strain your gel. Rich in nutrients. Flax seeds are rich in essential nutrients, such as omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and various vitamins and minerals. These nutrients can be beneficial for both hair and skin health, providing nourishment and supporting overall well-being. The gel can be applied to the scalp as a soothing treatment. It may help to alleviate dryness, itchiness, and flakiness while promoting a healthier scalp environment. Flaxseed gel is a natural, plant-based product, making it an attractive option for those who prefer to avoid synthetic chemicals commonly found in commercial hair and skincare products. Flaxseed gel can be easily customized with additional ingredients, such as essential oils, aloe vera, or other botanical extracts to tailor its effects to individual needs and preferences. Flaxseed gel has been reported to help tame frizz and flyaways, leaving the hair with a smoother, more polished appearance. This can be especially beneficial for individuals with curly or wavy hair textures. Flax seeds have lignans and antioxidants that tighten the skin. Flaxseed can stimulate the production of collagen and promote the turnover of cells thanks to its composition of anti-aging components and antioxidants. To use flaxseed gel as a hair mask, I suggest pouring a small amount into your hands and massaging it directly into your hair. Leave on for up to 15 minutes, rinse, and shampoo as normal. You can also use it as a preconditioning rinse after shampooing as well. How to apply on face. After washing your face with water, pat dry. Next, take some gel and apply all over the face and neck. Keep it for 10 to 20 minutes. Subscribe for more.